All right, since we're kind of just hanging out tonight and watching a plane spraying the fields, I thought I'd take this time to kind of introduce everybody and tell their backstory and where they came from. And so here we go. First up, we got Ferdinand. He came to us off the reservation, very mangy, very shy, but he has definitely come around. We're working on the slow eating because, as you can see, he is a very, very fast eater. He didn't know when his next meal would come, but we have come a long way with him. He is looking so much better. We have had him for 85 days now and no applications for adoption. So I'm really, really hoping that an amazing family sees him and will give him the best home. And then we got little Willow. So Willow came to us off the reservation, and she came in with a brother of hers that they found in a ditch. She was very shy, but the sweetest little girl ever. She has definitely come out of her shell and shown her personality. Her brother got adopted, and she got adopted also, but brought back to us through no fault of her own. And we ended up having her for a year, and we all had a really hard time giving her up. So we ended up adopting her. And here we got Mr. Buddy. All right, so here's Buddy's story. He had an owner who lived in a third-story apartment building in a big city, and his owner worked a lot of hours. So I actually found him on a Facebook ad, and I couldn't help myself. I messaged the guy right away, and the rest is history. So Buddy is so loyal and so calm. He is just like a dog that I had 5 years ago who passed away. And I am so glad I took this chance on him. He has been the best companion and the most loyal. So Buddy's a keeper, and Buddy's with us forever. All right, and here we have little Miss Mingo. She is our oldest resident and has been with us for almost 10 years now. Her birthday is actually Valentine's Day. She had a family out at the reservation, but one of her family members accidentally sat on her and her insides came out, so she needed surgery, and they didn't have the means to do surgery, so they gave her up to rescue, and I adopted her. I couldn't help myself on this one either. She is the sweetest little grandma. She loves being around her people, but she doesn't like being around the chaos of all the dogs. So she is kind of a homebody and sits by herself and snuggles.